Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this live stream that hopefully is working right now.
Yeah, exactly.
Hopefully you can hear me. Right? 'Cause that would be bad. Hopefully there's no echo. Right?
Oh boy.
Yeah, we were like serious technical difficulties. You were saying, yes, turn off your speaker, dummy. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we covered that.
Well, yeah, exactly. The problem was Ecamm Live had an option that would output our sound to one of our speakers, right? So we're looking everywhere to see what it was.
Hey, we couldn't find the option.
Exactly.
It's crazy. So there is a tiny thing that says output the whole stream into the first USB and or audio available.
Exactly. Why they would do that, I have no idea.
Crazy.
Okay.
I mean, hopefully it's fixed, right? Yeah. Hopefully it's fixed.
Yes. All right, so with that said, and that's out of the way, man, we're all crypto people now. We are.
Yeah.
You are crypto people now, whether you like it or not. The U.S. government has declared it so. Yes, it is the biggest deal since crypto was started, right? When I first started in crypto, people thought, this is crazy. This is not going anywhere. Why would you do this, Da Vinci? This is garbage. This is going to zero. And today, the president said, not just Bitcoin, but all of crypto.
You said the bad word.
It's going to be part of the government. Yes, it is a glorious day, isn't it?
Yeah, it is really exciting.
And it's you know what? For some people like Peter Schiff, it's the end of times. For central bankers, it's the end of times. And I gotta love it. You gotta love it, right?
Yeah, you gotta love Peter. It's incredible.
Alrighty. So we got a great show for you today, right? We're going to go over the news that brought us to this point today, and also we're going to be doing something that you should not be doing, right? We're going to review some of our meme coins and how badly they've smacked us and spanked us,
Incredibly badly.
right? And why we got spanked, how you could learn from this spanking and not have it happen to you.
That sounds great.
Right? So thank you for watching, and let's get started. But first off, make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe.
Exactly.
And also head over to Mr. M's podcast. Hit the like and subscribe there as well. He's doing a lot of cool shows. What show you got coming up?
Thank you. Oh man, coming up, I have so many. I'm not gonna spoil it, but
Okay.
I have planned a fantastic week next week. I'm recording every day, sometimes twice a day. So it's gonna be a busy week, and we're gonna have to do one with you, right?
You need to let the government know it's Bitcoin, not crypto. But they didn't get that. They didn't get that memo.
They get yeah.
All right. Well, you know what? We want to listen to this particular. Put on these headphones.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Right, of the president of the United States
Yeah.
at the World Economic Forum, and listen to what he's got to say.
This reduce the cost of virtually all goods and services. It'll make the United States a manufacturing superpower and the world capital of artificial intelligence and crypto. My administration.
Yep,
Wow.
the world capital of crypto.
You said the bad word.
Yes,
It's crypto.
Yes, we are. We're all. You know how they said we're all Keynesians now? We're back in the day, in the 70s, when they took us off the gold standard. Now we're going back on the Bitcoin standard. And now and we're all Hayekians. Hayekians now. Hayek was the opposite of Keynesian back then. We're all. I guess we'd call it Hayekians.
Hayekians. Sounds like a Star Trek race.
Oh, damn. So, President Trump signed this order to create national Bitcoin and digital asset stockpile. This is huge.
Wow.
I can't believe, right, that he signed it. Right.
Yeah, this is the crypto EO. We're going to be forming an internal working group to make make America the world capital in crypto under your leadership.
Which is really going up, right?
Absolutely.
this is going to create so much winning in the United States. You guys are going to say, please stop. We don't want to win anymore.
We're gonna lose for a bit now.
Let us lose for a bit.
Damn.
Oh, damn.
Interesting. You said AI also.
Yeah, of course. Well, obviously, AI is going to be a big part of our future, and same with what's it called? It's AI, and what else is coming down the pipe? Because there's other things. I forgot there was one other thing that's really big. Is it obviously it's crypto, but there's another big technical. Oh yes, quantum computers.
Yeah, they will go well together.
Yes, this all together is going to be a huge step forward for humanity in the future. Okay, so this is what he signed into law to make some changes. Why don't you read some of this for the people?
Yeah, sure. So broadly, the order established the President Working Group on Digital Asset Markets. It will be, chaired by David Sachs, as we know, as the crypto czar. Include heads of several agencies like Treasury Secretary, Attorney General, SEC Chairman. By the way, Gary Gensler is gone, right?
Yeah, exactly. Oh, you know what? The President Working Groups on Digital Asset Markets. Well, there's a President Working Group on markets. You know what the stock market people called them? The Plunge Protection Team.
Really?
So now Digital Asset has their own Plunge Protection Team. Wow.
Let's go. That's pretty incredible. Yeah. All right, next, the DOJ, Department of Justice, Treasury, SEC to identify all recommendations and policies made of crypto. Wow. So they're going in heavy on this. Within 180 days, working group must submit reported to the president with policy recommendations surrounding crypto. Wow. In particular, they must propose a regulatory framework. Okay, that's good, because we're looking for a framework, right? Issuance of operation of digital assets, including stablecoin. The stockpile, I want to ask you, because the stockpile now could have crypto, right? It's not Bitcoin only.
Exactly.
This is where everyone has gone bananas.
So, yeah.
It's massive, though, right?
I know, you XRP people, man.
It's gone all over the place. Bitcoin Maxi are saying Bitcoin only. XRP people are saying Bitcoin is going to run on XRP, whatever. And there is
Read what it says here.
Bitcoin, not crypto. But also it's interesting because they are saying if you have a crypto company, which is American, like Cardano, Vera, and what else, XRP, they might have an advantage on taxation, right?
Exactly. Oh, man, I remember the days when things were so, heavy against crypto back in 2018, 2019. It was right into that big our market cycle. It was a little bit muted because of the government was totally against it and stuff. And so this cycle might be a little bit loud.
I mean,
a little bit loud.
Smidge. Are you expecting them to have an index of cryptos they'll buy? I mean, they're buying already.
Yeah. It's not buying right now. They just, whatever they've seized is probably just going to be transferred to their stockpiles, and then they're going to move from there. But it's still exciting times. It means that they're not going to be auctioned off, and so that's a good thing for the markets, right?
Yeah, fair enough. It's definitely that they will have definitely an index. It's not going to be Bitcoin only, I don't think. So
I mean, if you're talking about an ETF, yeah.
ETF, yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's listen to what Pomp has to say.
Fantastic.
Here you go. You got the
Thank you.
headphones.
Massive shout out to Pomp. He was on my podcast. Super cool guy. I love Pomp.
For the last 15 years, all the people on Wall Street mocked Bitcoin, they laughed at it, and they critiqued it. But now Bitcoiners are finally being proven right. The things that have been said about Bitcoin in the last couple of days are blowing my mind. First up, we have Ray Dalio, Bridgewater CEO. He came out and he said that Bitcoin being introduced into a portfolio actually reduces the risk of the portfolio. He claims that he's a Bitcoiner, he owns Bitcoin, and he finds the asset interesting.
I think the important thing is, what is your alternative money? And do you have an alternative money?
Next up, we have Brian Moynihan. He's the CEO of Bank of America. He came out and he said that the banks are going to go hard into crypto. They get the regulatory approvals that they need.
If it becomes regulatory okay, which it wasn't before, and that's one of the issues, you'll see the banking system enter with. We have hundreds of patents on blockchain already. We know how to enter the field.
Big Bad BlackRock's Larry Fink, the CEO of the largest asset manager in the world. Here's what he had to say about Bitcoin recently.
You could have an internationally based instrument called Bitcoin. I was with a sovereign wealth fund. Should we have a 2% allocation? Should we have a 5% allocation? If everybody adopted that conversation, it would be 500,000, 600,000, 700,000 per Bitcoin.
And lastly, the SEC has created a crypto task force. They've put Hester Peirce in charge, and this is a 180-degree different approach to the regulation of these assets than the prior administration. Regardless of where you look on Wall Street, whether it's the bank CEOs, the asset managers, the regulators, or the macro traders, everyone has their eyes on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is winning, Bitcoin is infiltrating Wall Street, and I think that Bitcoin's run is only just beginning.
You tell him, man. You tell him, Bob. You tell him.
You tell him, Tom. Fantastic.
Oh, wow. Yes.
Bears in disbelief, you know.
Exactly. It is going to be wild this year. Wild. I hope you got your positions, man. It's going to be the funnest year yet.
You all love the track.
Damn. Just like that, man.
Incredible.
Oh man, the Bitcoin cycle is right on track. It's not only on track. It got like upgraded and placed on freaking bullet train. Like what is those maglev rails?
Oh yeah, the Japanese train.
It's about to go.
It's about to go.
Oh, damn.
I hope you're packing your bags, guys, because we're going.
That maglev ride is going to be like crazy.
I mean, banks allowed to custody Bitcoin. How heavy do you think they're going to go in?
Well, you got to be careful with banks, right? Because remember what I said before, right? They like to custody things for you, but not actually hold the actual asset for you. Meaning that, I got it here.
Yeah, give it.
Just give me the cash, right? And so they do that, right? Because they might know that the price is about to plunge, and so they know most people sell the bottoms,
of course,
buy tops and sell bottoms. So most people, when they come into this crypto space, they'll probably go to the bank and then to buy it, and then the bank will, because they're buying at the top, the bank will know.
Yeah, they'll ask them to pick up the soap. Can you pick up the soap? You know,
and so they won't. They're allowed to hold it as okay. Well, you know what? We're not actually buying Bitcoin, so causing the price to go even higher, right? We're not going to cause the price to go higher, and help the end the cycle a lot faster that way. So just so you know, you heard it here first. Somebody's going to get sued. Some bank is going to get sued for saying, but I didn't. What? I didn't have crypto because that's industry-wide standard. Yeah, so just so you know, that's coming, right?
Do you think it could be as bad as FTX? Kind of.
FTX, no,
not as bad.
But it just because they do it with gold, so they're professionals at it. And even if they end up like FTX, they get a bailout from everybody else from the printing press. So don't
How much? Okay, give me a sec. Just gonna go ahead and print it.
Don't really matter. So if they bet against Bitcoin, right, and they hold they take your cash but don't actually buy Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin still skyrockets, it doesn't matter to them. They get a free printing press pass.
Fair enough.
Yeah. So
who controls the prints control the world, right? For now.
That's it. Okay, so look at this thing. It's saying October, right? Where's this thing saying? It's very tiny, right? So
yeah, it says October.
How much at an October? I can't read it.
If you close it might be bigger. If you click on that
this thing
chevron, it might make that a little bit bigger. Is it 260, 270? Maybe that's what.
Something like that.
220. Sorry, 220.
Nice.
I mean, 220 is like 2x ish from where we are.
Yeah, that's not too crazy. I can't complain about that, right? Bitcoin, as long as it goes up. I know. You know what? There's so many people, right? They're complaining, right? They came over to. I had a little party, and they complained about how Bitcoin's not doing anything. I'm like, yeah, only 150x, 150% up 150% from last year, but yeah, it's not doing
It's
anything.
not a lot. It's not much. I mean, I think if you are a forex trader, you are happy with like 5% a year, 6% a year. I mean, 150 guys. I mean, if you're not happy, you are a degenerate gambler. Because there is nothing who goes more than 150% a year.
So they really shouldn't hate against the degen section if
Exactly.
they're complaining.
Yeah.
They should not say a word about buying degen coins. Okay.
Indeed.
All right. YouTube rival Rumble to launch digital wallet to make Bitcoin and Tether payments.
I like it. You like
I
it?
think we should start broadcasting on Rumble now, shouldn't we?
Yep.
Yeah.
I think it's the time.
Yeah.
And I know you've been talking to do it for quite a bit. I remember you made a video a while back saying, I'm going to migrate slowly.
Yeah. We started, and then I haven't kept it. So I'm gonna
That's
start
an
again.
incentive, right?
Yeah, that is a big incentive.
And by the way, they invested 20 million in Bitcoin as a strategic asset. So they are signaling we are liking it. So yeah, it's time for a. I mean, we could do it. We could broadcast at the same time. over there.
Exactly. And here's the thing, right? All these everything is going to get paid in Bitcoin and maybe stable coins and stuff like that going forward. And this is going to be the future. So be ready for it. Learn this stuff now, right? I have a course coming out, right? Bitcoin for beginners. That's b4b.davincij15.com, right? So check that out, and because it's going to be the future. And I know a lot of people out there. The sentiment is like really low, so no people. The average person is not here, so it's early to set up a course to help them get educated, to prevent them from getting scammed, having their wallets drained, which
Super important.
people are telling me. But I'm looking at the complaints, and I think it's a scam. The complaints of their wallets being drained is actually a scam. Because they have like a what's it called? A support. There's a lot of people responding with a fake support desk from Phantom. Wow. So I'm like starting to connect the dots here, and I'm not sure if the complaints of people having their wallets drained is actually valid.
Oh, wow, I didn't know that.
Yeah, exactly. It might be fake.
Wow.
Yeah. So if somebody, complains about their wallet being drained, they should provide the address. Look what happened to me on this date, right? And they didn't do that. So
Man, they're fishing the fishers.
exactly.
Wow.
Yeah. So, all right. With that said, CryptoQuant CEO believes China may have sold its entire 200,000, almost 200,000 Bitcoin stash in 2019.
Lies.
Oh, lies!
Lies. I mean, they did sell a little bit, but they stopped as soon as they realized that Trump was about to pump their bags.
Yeah.
Right? So,
Okay. All right. So, China may have already sold its 194,000 Bitcoin seized from infamous PlusToken scam.
2019, yeah.
In 2019.
And by the way, interesting, the 194,000 Bitcoin that they did not sell, they sold, I think, they started but they stopped, is exactly how much US has, 200,000, right? So there is no way they won't bet on this. I'm pretty certain that now, I don't know how you feel about this, I wanted to ask you, but now that Bitcoin is signaling that the US is open, I think China and other places, I mean, Russia already started, right? Because why would you bet against it? It doesn't make any sense.
It don't make no sense at all. None.
So
Well, you got to tell that to Germany, right?
50,000 Bitcoin sold at $52,000. I mean, the dumbest move in history. And it's not even finished yet. So it's going to get worse and worse.
No.
as we go on.
Yes, we should. They're going to be the pizza day. The new pizza
The
day.
new
would
pizza
be-
people.
Exactly. Germany.
It's got German pizza,
Exactly.
which you don't want to eat. But
They have pizzas and vending machines in Germany. You know that?
Jesus.
Yeah, exactly. You can go there.
The frozen. Are they frozen?
Yeah, obviously. And then you put in the money, the $10, or 10 euros. And then it's a massive vending machine that heats it up, and within 10 minutes, you got a pizza.
Damn.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wonder how delicious that might be. Or
Yummy.
not delicious.
I mean, I suppose it depends on how much, what kind of starving level. 1 to 10.
Exactly.
Okay.
All right.
Interesting. We need to try it next time.
Yeah, exactly. I know. Okay, so the PlusToken scandal was one of the largest Ponzi schemes, resulting in China authorities seizing substantial Bitcoin reserves. Yeah, well, that's they don't buy that; they just steal it, government.
Yeah, exactly.
But you know what? At least they're stealing it from thieves, right? So it's not so bad. They should give it back to the people who actually.
Exactly, because here's me out. If you steal from someone who stole, are you equally a thief? You guys decide.
Just saying. Official statements from the Chinese Communist Party claimed the funds were transferred to the National Treasury, but did not clarify whether the assets were sold. Okay? Well,
Okay.
They may not have been sold. People are just, this is just rumors, right?
Yeah, exactly. So I think they've, last I checked, they've kind of sold like a little bit enough to cause FUD because it's convenient. Oh, China is selling, and everyone is selling, and they're buying back, But I think I don't think they'll sell those under 94,000. No chance. That's my opinion.
Unlikely.
Yeah.
Unlikely. Okay.
Wow, Solana, first chain in history to break 200 billion monthly DEX volume.
Wow. You know, I you sent me an interesting picture.
It's for the skeleton.
I was like,
It's once it's in your mind, it's not going to leave
exactly.
you. It's going to live there forever.
Yeah, he sent me an interesting picture, and it was, I was like, yeah, okay. It was Skeletor said, did you know that Solana spelled backwards is anal os, meaning the operating system? That's what OS stands for. And I'm like, oh, damn.
Just let it there
Let that
forever.
ruminate for a second. Yeah, there's SOL, so sometimes online, right? SOL means shit out of luck, right? And I always say it's sometimes online.
Yeah. And now we have another one.
Now we have another one.
We have the mother.
Wow. Solana can't catch a break on its name. Oh, boy.
That's something they caught me, and it's going to stay with me forever.
Yeah, no, exactly. It'll never leave my mind.
Rent free.
Exactly. Oh, boy.
Congrats on the 200 billion on the DAX, right? I mean, congrats.
Yeah,
on that.
exactly. Yes, that's great. Well, that's where the money is moving. You can see it, right? When Trump, opened up his meme coin, and and people are saying, "Oh, you should be sued" and stuff like that. Dude, it's a meme coin.
Exactly. It was the fundamentals.
Yeah,
It's a meme coin. Right?
yeah, it's a meme coin, dude. Right? Tokenomics. It's a meme coin, dude.
I think if you look into tokenomics for a meme coin, there's something wrong with you, fundamentally, right?
It's a collectible.
Exactly. Just
Let it
gamble,
go.
gamble, and embrace
Exactly.
the gamble.
Let
That's
it go. Right?
That's it.
But no, people don't, and so that's why when we talk about, hey, we're about to enter this zone, this crypto zone,
The degenerate,
the degen zone,
degenerate zone. Thank you.
right? What warnings do we give these people?
Well, you should never consider remotely in doing any of this, because otherwise there's only one insurance.
Yeah, it's your fault insurance you need to take out. And so the best way to take out your fault insurance is to buy some Bitcoin. For every $1 that you want to spend in waffles or whatever, meme coin, it doesn't matter. Make sure, right, you have $10 in your fault insurance right here with the Bitcoin.
Exactly. I have another disclaimer.
Yes.
How about this? If you feel you want to degen, do 10 push-ups
First.
before.
Yes.
Then see how it goes. Then maybe after degen with us, because we're
Yeah.
getting slapped.
Yes. Speaking about slappage, let's take a look at how slapped we were on Thursdays, right? We were supposed to do this show on Friday, but anyways, this is the slappage.
Oh boy.
Where did we go wrong here?
Well, a couple of things. First, we shouldn't have done it.
That's number one. That's number one. Right?
Number two, we should have picked the right token.
Yeah. Number two. Yeah, exactly.
Because there is billions of different ones.
And number three is safe move.
Which, by the way, you can move the 1 and 2 and 3.
Exactly.
It's your preference. But,
Yes, there is another Safe Moon and the right one, and it's doing very well. It's like 70 million market cap, and we missed it. And this one actually mimicked the chart patterns,
that's the thing.
right? So that's why we missed it.
Yeah, guys, they're getting so good, and now they are copying this. The first 4 and last 4 digits of the Solana address. I don't know how. They probably generate millions of.
Exactly, because it takes a while to
And
do
they
that.
copy the charts too.
Yeah, they're getting good. They're getting really good at making rug pulls here, right, on people. So make sure when you buy the coin that you buy the right one. You go to the right. So make sure if you're gonna buy it based on an influencer's suggestions, you go into the description. You go into the
Copy the address,
and copy the address, right? If he puts it in his pin comment, you get the address from there, right? Do not go looking for it on your own. If they don't do that, if they don't provide the links, right, you don't bother going for it, or you do you spend at least a few hours looking around, like trying to find. Go to the website, go to the Telegram group, see if it's real. You have to do a little bit of due diligence, so this does not happen, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Exactly. Yep. Dang. Oh no, Juju.
Okay, another one. What did we learn here?
Well, liquidity has to be locked.
Yep.
Always.
Exactly.
I was feeling the Juju, man.
Yeah. And so the guy, she's now locked the liquidity with less than $1, though.
Oh boy. It's,
Gee, thanks. Appreciate that, man.
yeah.
Now you locked it.
Wow.
Wow.
Well, this is the trenches, right?
Yeah, so now you wouldn't want to buy this even with the locked liquidity. Look, this is...
Oh my God.
Yeah, he has one holder that has 97%.
He's not gonna dump on you. No. It's not gonna happen.
Look,
No chance.
0 chance that he's dump on you. 0.
Wow.
0. Just kidding, guys. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
It's like you might as well burn.
Yeah, exactly. Burn money, man. Just give it to it as a donation. Find him and give it to him directly instead.
If okay, do it. I'll save you the trouble.
Yeah, exactly.
Give me your Solana address.
Jesus.
Send. All right, Instagram.
Another one. We just okay. I just felt that Instagram wouldn't cheat me.
No, Meta. So
Exactly.
nice.
Yeah. This one was just a dumb one. I knew it was gonna rug. We did it anyways.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Yeah.
At this point, we have to accept it.
Well, Arnold, right? It was bottoming, right? When I first looked at it before the show started, you could see it's a little bit bottoming. Hopefully, it could break. It could hold this level, then it can take off, right? Nothing goes up in a straight line. So if these guys are serious and want to build this thing into something that's not a rug pull, which I think they do, it's got to start. They got to start. The team's got to start buying. The community's got to start buying, and then this thing's gonna push, right, and do very well. So
I think so as well. I mean, this is. We knew it was a long play, right? So, let's, okay, let's hold it and see what happens.
Look at this.
Oh, hello.
We bought this.
Hello.
We got something.
Bloodline secured.
Yes. Look at that. Time to sell half on a double.
Okay.
I sent you a video recently, right? And what was the video, right? The person was like, okay, now that you made some money in crypto, sell some. He's like, yeah.
Yeah. You can't do it. By the way, he's a good friend, and we did a podcast together.
Oh
He's a
man,
really
that
good
was
guy.
funny.
He's a really good guy. He's moving to Dubai.
So,
also.
yeah. Oh, really cool.
Yeah, it's a cool guy.
So yeah, swap. Always sell half on a double, right? Especially when you make some money. So then even if it goes down, you've walked away with profits. Ooh,
Penguins.
It's so. I told you we were hitting the bottom.
Yeah, you said.
I want to. We're gonna do a review of some of our coins right now in today's episode. We're not gonna go and hunt for new coins, but let's see here. We bought it for only one sold.
I think so. I think we did one Solana.
Wow. So we made, right? It's time for to sell half, right?
How much have we got in Sol? If you go max. Ooh, double.
Yeah. So hello.
Kachin.
Right?
Makes sense.
Boom.
Perfect.
Wow.
That's how we do it, guys. Always take profit. When it doubles, sell half. Doesn't matter how bullish you are. Take your prospect. It's called,
Yeah,
no?
take your profits. Take profits. Take profits.
What's it called? The first year basic prospect? I'm not sure.
Take your principal.
Principal. There you go. Thank you. Principal. Take your principal back.
All right, this is one of my long plays. We got one Solana in it. Let's see how well it's doing. I don't think we've doubled on. Whoops, this is the right one. Sometimes it doesn't do. It doesn't get us the right one here. So let's go. And when you hit swap here, sometimes it doesn't give you the right one. But there we go.
Egg also was supposed to be a long play, right? So
Yeah, it's a long play. So it's still we're in profit, right?
okay, good.
But you know,
what do you think? You should hold it.
yeah, I'm gonna hold it. I'm
Okay.
gonna hold it.
Nice.
Right. And NPCs, right? We remember how the NPCs.
Yeah, NPC.
Yeah, we were like, we thought we lost our shirt on that one, right?
But we
But
haven't.
exactly, it came back. It came back. How much did we spend on this?
Back
thing?
from the dead. One Solana.
One Solana. Wow.
Okay.
Let's see. I don't think it's given us.
Oh, that's a penguin. Yeah.
Oh,
I hate
shoot.
when it does it.
Yeah, exactly. But I don't think it's what Solana's 250, so this is 200. So we haven't.
We haven't recovered
taken a
yet.
loss. Daddy Tate.
And Daddy, I think we got we got in one Sol. Okay.
One Sol. But we did at a very low price of Sol. So
I think we might have got the bottom there. Yeah.
So the dollar, we did catch the bottom, but the dollar, no, actually, you know what? It was pumping off the bottom. I told you guys that it was the bottom. It was pumping off the bottom, and we bought it a little bit high, and so now it's come back down a little bit. Then retest the floor, but let's just see. Purple Bitcoin.
I think we already doubled on this one. So whatever.
I think we already took
yeah,
profits.
Yeah, there you go. So whatever we have now is profit.
So
Okay, good days.
yeah, exactly. Oh, Flork is another one we took profits on.
We doubled as well as Hive.
Hive, yeah. We
I-
Butthole. Did we get the profits on that?
I don't remember.
Yeah, look at that. This is
Oh yeah,
Solana
look at
too.
that. Yeah, we do.
And this is a sell a butthole minus.
we got
No. I think this was because we put it in the what's it called? Jupiter.
Jupiter for the.
Yeah. So let's just take a look at Jupiter.
I'm sure we did. Some of those orders have got filled in. I don't remember which one though.
Let me see. Is this Jupiter? Looks different.
Yeah, they might have.
Where's the
Yeah.
Where's the other one? The take profit. I mean the this is trigger. I guess it's instant trigger. I guess they called it trigger now.
Oh, they already named it.
Yeah, they call it trigger now instead of limit orders.
Okay. Oh, there they are.
So where's butthole? So do we see the butthole here? Do you see our hole?
I don't see any battles.
I think we might have already
there,
taken. Okay, it already taken. No, it didn't take profit on butthole.
We didn't get deep enough. Profit.
So there we go. We got Bretta waiting in the wings. Our large language model.
Ah, yeah. Major is there.
Major, yeah. And who else? Poppy and
yeah, and the either
either it's dead. I think.
Oh, but
think
some
we need to cancel
we had
this.
so many. So some have been.
Cancel order. Maybe it's a separate pages, right? 'Cause there's more.
There's only one. Yeah.
So let's cancel this order.
Or maybe after a while they just go away. I don't know how it works.
No, I don't think so because we had it on never. Okay, so there's no previous.
Yeah, it's just one page.
Okay.
So okay. I mean, how is he looking for major? Cause
Yeah, but I deleted some of these, right? Because I know
yes, we
because
did
I
maintenance.
did maintenance on this.
yeah, true. Maybe that's why. How's major looking? Do you think we'll ever get to our
I don't know. Let's
Principal.
see if we can get to major this way. Let's see if there's any kind of way to get to the. No, I guess we're gonna have to do it through.
Oh, but if you click on that thing, what
Oh
does
yeah.
it go?
Let's see what this stuff.
I don't know what kind of explorer.
What is this explore?
Might give
Coin,
you
the token, major. What do you think? Is this the token?
Yeah, I think so. That's the address. Yeah.
Let's see if that's the case.
I mean, they could have a button that says Dex Screener.
Yeah, but it's just another product. That,
Yeah, they don't want to
supports,
advertise.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
That makes a lot of money. So no, I guess not. It's just a wallet, I guess.
Oh wow, that's so random.
All right, so let's see if we can find. Oops.
Even from Phantom, you can't access the. We could probably get to the address maybe. By the way, guys, many of you are asking. There's going to be a Q&A segment, so make sure to to ask the questions you wish us to answer in the chat. I'm actually scrolling. Always the chat is open in our monitor, so we can see it.
Well, let's take a look at major closely. Because here's the thing, right?
Ooh, we're inverse head and shoulder. Look at that.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh wow, yeah.
Ish.
Yeah, and yeah, here's a little bit of a
Yeah,
here's a shoulder,
shoulder,
a head,
yeah.
another shoulder. So, yeah,
Maybe.
and then this is
A
maybe
massive inverse head and shoulder.
yeah. We could call this maybe Adam and Eve or something like that. I don't know. This looks like a V bottom here.
Oh, yeah.
This is Eve, and this one might be turned into an Adam kind of deal. So I don't know.
What is it? A
Or
bullish
Cup and
pattern?
Hondo, or yeah,
Is it a bullish,
yeah,
bullish pattern? Yeah. Okay, come on, Major. You can save the bloodline.
exactly.
Can't
Nice.
believe that we are hoping Major to bow.
Yeah, bloodline secured with major.
How are we doing on the portfolio?
So major's down here, right? Right
Okay.
after.
Bretta.
Bretta.
There's a Brett wife. Jesus.
Bretta. Let's see.
Oh, Melania is green. Really? Oh, yeah, we got the 20% slippage. Melania, right?
You know, here we got brutalized.
He got raped by Melania.
Jeez, you just slapped us around, man.
Yeah.
Same with Bretta. Yeah, she's like not doing us any
Not
favors.
on today.
No
Look at that
favors.
wig there. Gee.
But yeah, look at this. This is. Well, at least there's. Let's see here. This, oh no. No.
And he's gone.
It's gone.
Oh, boy.
Well, maybe. I mean, we would probably have to wait a long time.
Yeah. Oh, boy.
Yeah, we're probably gonna have to wait a little bit.
Guys, remember, we're not here to make money.
Yeah.
That's the object of the show. Oh, boy. This is what we said last time, right? We're not here to make money.
No, exactly. Exactly.
It is what it is.
We're here to
taking it on the
entertain.
chin like two champs.
Exactly.
It is what it is.
Melania, do you think this is actually a legit coin?
At this point, I don't know what to think about. I mean, it basically what happened was Trump launched a meme, money into Trump. People have made profit. They put it into Melania. Melania dumped and dragged everybody. So I don't know how's the chart looking, but I wouldn't bet the farm on it. Oh boy! Have you seen Fred Krueger?
Should we buy this more?
Melania.
Yeah. It is down. And since meme coins are not dead, it's probably still early. Or should we just wait for a further dumpage?
How is the chart on Trump? Because I would rather buy that one. I know we're not here to make money, but how is Trump looking? Because I mean, not sure about it neither, but is it this one?
Is it this one? Yeah. I mean,
it's probably better looking, right?
yeah.
Of the two of them.
Better looking, yeah.
But
Yeah, it's the dirtiest. It's
Yeah,
the cleanest
filthy.
shirt in a dirty laundry, right? It's the cleanest shirt in the dirty laundry. So let's go with that one. I know we're not supposed to buy anything today, but fine.
I mean, when you see something like this, how can you? I mean, we want the filthiest shirt in a laundry basket.
No, the filthiest one was Melania.
Ah, yeah, true. Which we have. Which we have. So let's go and find the cleanest.
Oh damn.
I mean, we don't have it in our portfolio, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so we need at least one Sol. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, fair enough. We get almost 9 Trump. All right. All
We're
right.
rich.
Yeah, we're rich.
We have 9 Trumps. Just keep in mind that this is going to be unlocked. The tokenomics. Tokenomics. All these are going to be, a lot of the 800 million that's here are going to be unlocked in about 3 months.
Jeez.
Less than 3 months. So,
Carnage.
yes. It's going to be brutal.
Yeah.
Just like a meme coin.
Makes sense. That's what I would expect.
Yeah,
you know?
exactly.
I mean,
We expect nothing less.
exactly.
When you want to clear everybody's money in the room, meme coins, except no substitute.
I mean, they're keeping up with the promise. So, fair enough. Fair
Damn.
enough.
All right. So what else do we have in our portfolio bag here that we can look at?
What's happening with Pippin?
Pippin? Oh, you love Pippin.
Yeah, I love Pippin. Power to the ants. Oh, boy.
Yeah. It's,
How about
it's
we
down a
doubled,
little
no?
bit.
We doubled
I
on
think
that.
we already made money on that Pippin.
Yeah, we doubled.
Elon, official Elon. Did we make it?
Oh, it's green.
It's green, right? You want to check out Pippin, then Elon?
Yeah, I mean, we can check Elon because I think Pippin is, I think we already took profit. And we're in the red, right? So,
So Elon?
Elon, yeah, let's check Elon. What was the name of the guy, Barry? The guy who rugged us?
Was this the right one? I'm not even sure anymore. The guy who rugged us? Which one?
Yeah, remember? What was the name of it?
Juju?
No, the unemployed guy.
Oh, yeah.
What was it, Barry?
Barry or something like that. Yeah, the unemployed guy.
That's
Yeah, I know.
the punch in the chin.
Exactly.
Jesus.
You're unemployed, man. That's not how you make money in this space,
Exactly.
right? You make money in the space by keeping the meme coins up, not down. Okay. Okay. So where's the Elon? There it is. Let's make sure we got the right one
I
here.
mean, it's green. I mean, it depends on how bad it went. But let's see.
Let's see. Is it the right? Yeah, maybe. It looks like it.
This is a part of the narrative, Trump and then everything else. And oh yeah, it's up 17% today.
Yeah, but it's
Buried.
buried. Yeah, so it's like an 8 million market cap. But hey, it's not completely dead, right?
Just taking a nap.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it.
Yeah, exactly. Just a light nap, and then maybe some excitement will come. Let's see.
Yeah, it might wake
Okay.
up. Maybe not.
Who knows? Elon might just buy this up a little bit, and then because he's got nothing better to do, and buys it. That'd be funny.
That'd be really funny.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so after Elon, what do we have? I think everything else is just like burned, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Billy, dead.
Yeah, Billy. Maybe we should walk away from Billy.
Billy?
No, I'm not. I feel like Billy's got something for me.
Billy's not dead yet.
Billy's not dead yet. I'm gonna keep the faith. Keep the faith.
Okay.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
Let's go.
All right, so this one I think we should just walk away and sell, right?
Either.
But it's coming back.
Yeah, it's going
It's coming back.
Okay. Yeah, but I can't sell it. Oh, look at
Wow.
that beautiful. Maybe we should. How did we double? Well, we double on this, right?
I don't think so, but let's see how much.
How
What
much
did we get?
Did we buy?
Oh, did we sell some of this? I don't understand. Okay, no, that's from the swap. We had 2 ETH on this. Ooh, sold.
Solana. Okay.
Yeah, we got brutalized.
So we
Devastated.
lost 50%.
Devastated.
We got what?
Devastation.
$100 now. $100-something.
Oh my God. Where is it again? I forgot. Lost it.
It's up. There you go.
Yeah.
$44. Oh, brutal. Okay,
Yeah,
so
we got it up the butt, in the butthole.
yeah. No lubrication.
Exactly. Wow.
Oh, but I mean, 123%.
In the last 24 hours, but it's a dead cat bounce. So just like this is, and that failed. right? Dead cat.
What would you recommend to do?
I think we're gonna hold it
Yeah, exactly. I mean,
because here's the thing: it's on the dead cat. It didn't come back all the way back to the bottom. So we're making higher lows, right? So let's hold this, see what happens.
yeah, I like it because I wanted to ask you because at some point I think if you got in with 200, actually no, 2 Solana, that would be like $400 ish, and we have now 40. I'd rather just let it go and maybe.
Should we be real, Degen, and add to that?
That's another layer. That's another chapter in the book. But that's exactly what a real Degen would do.
Exactly.
So maybe a 50, maybe a 0.5.
0.5, yeah.
What do you think?
Oh damn, that's some serious Degen, dude.
That's exactly when you go into a casino and you lose. You say no, but wait, with this money, I'm gonna make
it back.
Make it back.
I'm gonna make it back. I'm gonna make it back.
I mean, I like it. I mean, at the end of the day, we're not here to make money, guys. So it all makes sense.
We're gonna make it back.
We're gonna double it.
Exactly.
Double or nothing.
All right, let's go to the Q&A section, right? Oh my gosh, that was hilarious.
Yeah, it was hilarious. Okay, some people are asking when is the Cardano Charles Hoskinson chat. So we're going to record early Feb. So I'll probably publish it mid Feb-ish. It's gonna be a good one. We have to.
Yeah, what date is that? Forgot.
I'm not saying the date we're recording, but it's gonna be early Feb.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we will have to do some edits and publish it. So probably mid Feb we will go live. Yeah. So stay tuned. It's gonna be good. See if you see something. Okay, this is an interesting one. So what will happen if the entire crypto it's a scam?
What happened if the entire crypto world is a scam?
Well, I mean, I think
Let's see here.
to a degree, isn't that? I mean, it depends.
Okay, here's the thing, right? I know how it could feel, right? Because like there's a lot of scams out there, right? So, and there's a lot of scams in dollars. So does that mean, what if the whole dollar is a scam? Oh wait, never mind. bad analogy.
Yeah. I need to add on this.
Oh damn! So why don't you hold on to your scam dollars and not Bitcoin, and then walk away, right? All right, enough said.
I think I don't have anything to add to that. It makes sense. All right, let's see. Let me see. Let's see if you see something also. Let me know. I'm just scrolling in the chat.
What about Sol when sell? It was up there. We passed it.
Solana, when to sell? Well, didn't we say we are expecting a potential target in between 800 and 1,000, something like this?
Well, if you need to sell, right? You could wait for that, but we don't know if that's going to happen or not. And the best thing to do is what we always tell you to do.
Sell half when it doubles.
Thank you very much.
So if you've made a position in Solana and you doubled, you sell half, right? Also, you should play with money
Basic.
you don't need in the short term, right? Because this thing could be...
It's a low probability compared to like the high probability of meme coin.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah.
What's happening with Shiba Inu?
Well, I don't know what's happening with Shiba. I haven't looked at it in a while, so I'm assuming it's still good. Just probably taking a little bit of rest.
Yeah, and it's not going to get to $1.
Exactly.
That's what's happening.
But it's not going to zero either.
Yeah, no, exactly. It's going up. Oh, this one is interesting. Gold going to lose value?
Eventually, one day, but not for a long time.
I think so as well.
Not for a very long time. I mean, we have to remove all of the people that were born after 2010 before gold drops.
Yeah, there's 18 trillion, to be honest, now.
Before. Everybody before 2010 has to die off, and then
Maybe.
then maybe gold will go to zero, or drop in value, not zero, but drop significantly.
Yeah, Fair enough. Okay, let me see. A bunch of suggestions for
Let's see here.
coins. This is awesome. Thank you. Like we're happy to know you are
Alright.
liking it. Let's go back to the bottom.
Yeah.
See if we can find something.
All right. There's got to be some good questions, guys. Come on. Check out Phantom Coin. No. Should I hold Dogecoin Mars? What?
Yeah, sorry, the chat is going so fast. Dogen on Mars. I don't know. What is that? Is that like another meme?
Yeah, no. Don't do it.
meme coin.
If you do it, then take out the your fault insurance.
Yeah, that's a big one. You want to sign? Emmanuel is saying, is Solana could reach $1,000 before? Yes, it could.
Yes,
yeah,
definitely.
it could.
There's a high probability of that.
I think so as well. I mean, probably top of the market, but
Yeah.
it's possible.
Richie, what is your projection for Sui coin in the short term and long term? Right, as you passed it.
Yeah, the chat is going so fast. Sui, there you go. This one, yeah. Perfect. What do you think about Sui? Is it at $2 now, or something? Maybe
Yeah,
$5?
no, it's $5. Right?
$5.
And,
Okay.
and so, yeah, I think Sui could outperform and do something stupid and go to some stupid number like $100, $200.
Yeah.
Yeah, it can be stupid.
Yeah. Yeah, Sui's been gathering a lot of attention lately. Yeah, so it's definitely possible. Okay. This is a good one. I bought Ethereum at 3,600. Should I wait now or swap? Didn't we discuss this the other day?
Okay, that's a tough one.
That's a
right?
good one. Yeah, it's a really good one.
Why don't we see if we can find out an answer in the charts and just come up with our best TA on that? How about that?
Yeah,
what do you
sounds
think?
good. Sounds good. I was about to say let's ask ChatGPT, but it's a difficult one because I do think Ethereum is going to do well, but damn, Solana is killing it.
Exactly. So let's take a look at the Solana ETH chart, right? So when this is going up, Solana is doing better than Ethereum. And when it's going down, Ethereum is doing better than Solana.
Yeah.
And so right now, as you can see, we pumped heavily, and now we've this is a trend channel that I've drawn. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Let's just go to the weekly then.
Let's see. Let me take this off so people can see the old chart.
And then you can see here, let me just zoom out. You see on the weekly, we're bouncing off of this top channel and staying above the rainbow, the ribbon, the EMA ribbons, right? On the weekly, the daily, everything is bullish against Solana, against Ethereum. So this is about to break out. But here's the thing. It looks like we could have another failed move and come back down here. And they're giving you one last chance to probably come and scoop up some Solana. So looking at the daily, does this say, hey, we're going to reverse then? No, unfortunately. Unfortunately, no. It does not say we're going to reverse down. But it's not 100%. So this does say that we're in a bullish pattern here, right? You can see that this looks like it's ready to break out, either break out to the top or break out to the bottom. If it breaks down, right, this is the key. This is where it's got to hold, or else it's going to break all the way down to the bottom of this channel again. So there it is. There's no definitive answer, but right now, it looks bullish. At this point, it looks more bullish than bearish. That doesn't mean it's going to do that, but it's a cause. It's a cause for concern. Now, So, if you were to ask me, what do I think for sure? If I were to say there is no for sure, right? Is no for sure, only percentage chance, and the probabilities are that that this thing looks like it wants to break higher, because that's momentum is at, right? With all the positive what's it called, feedback and fundamentals. Since the momentum is there, this is going out, breaking out, and when it does break out, it's going to break out like this.
Big time, yeah. Which means, to answer your question, it will be more convenient in holding Solana than Ethereum.
Yeah, it would be even if I'm wrong for the short term and it comes back down, it doesn't matter because it will outperform. So let's just say I'm wrong and it breaks down
Bottom
here,
of the channel, yeah.
right, and comes back. But when it's to come back, it's going out for sure. That's it because we've hit this channel. We've been in this channel so long for such a long time that it's going to break out heavy to the upside.
Yeah. I mean, it would be good to know. Maybe I can put some data for tomorrow's show to figure out how well Solana has done versus Ethereum in the past year, but I'm sure it destroyed it. Like there's no comparison, right?
Yeah, I mean, you can see that's what that chart says.
Exactly. So
Right. I mean, if you look at it on a longer time frame, let's just look at a longer time frame.
go on a monthly or. So yeah, to answer your question, the probability that Solana is going to do better, it's quite higher.
Yeah, so there it is.
Oh
on
my God, look at that.
You know, it's absolute spanking. Spanking
Wow.
on a monthly term. And it ain't dead. It ain't finished yet. Oops.
Wow. Yeah, because this is the chart you want to look at. Because if you look in dollar value, you're missing the point. If you have both assets in your portfolio, you have to compare them one to the other, right?
Absolute spanking. And then with against Bitcoin, it's like sideways.
Is it going up a little bit or?
Let's see here. I think it was it's like sideways. I remember seeing it. Anyways, I don't have the chart ready now. So
Okay, no worries.
So yeah. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for all your questions. I think that was a good one.
Yep.
And yeah, we will see you guys tomorrow because we're going to do this again tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning, yeah.
This is the first time we did this on Sunday, but I mean we did do Sunday shows before.
Yeah, we did the show before. Yeah,
But
so
no,
that's true.
not the Degen.
Not the Degen, yeah.
So,
Exactly.
anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Cheers.